So this is the recap for live stream 344, and today I had to reset the account due to the losses I had previously, and I had a rather difficult day in the market. So came into the market a bit later than normal due to scheduling. First trade I went long, prices turned around, took a loss there, went short, price went up, took a loss, went short, went up, took a loss, went long. I think I took profits there. Took a loss there, took a loss, and it just was not great. Went long, prices turned around, came close to target within one tick, turned around, had to take a loss over there on gold. Over on ES wasn't too much better. Came into the market, went short, eventually target was hit. I think I went short again, target was hit, went long, took a loss, I believe. Went long again, price turned around, took a loss, went short. Oh, no, I didn't. I went long, thinking we could see a bounce off the lows. Prices continued to sell. Went long again, prices continued to sell. Gave up on ES. Over on NQ, similar scenario. First I went long, took a loss there. Eventually went short, took a loss, then went short again. Managed to take profit. Went short again, took a loss. Short again, took a loss. Short again, eventually took profits. Took a long, took a loss there. Took a long, price turned around, took a loss. And through here, I just kept trying to buy long for the market to bounce. I thought through this area would see buyers. Kept going long, the market kept going down. Eventually, out of frustration, went short. As I went short, the market just turned around immediately and eventually just closed the position right there. And that was it. That was it for the account, and that was it for the day. So we can see that last trade on NQ lost 98,250, but it was a day of poor accuracy all round. You see lost 21, 23, medium-sized losses here and there. Bigger loss up at 27, 21. Big loss there at 99,750. Had a break-even trade in there. Had a bigger winner. It was very rare. Lost 41. Lost 70. A couple of 90s from before. Lost 56 and 40. So just not great. Not great at all. Accuracy incredibly poor. You can see here loss 5, 4, 7, 5 wins, 26 losses, incredibly poor, 16% accuracy. Might as well throw that strategy in the bin. 12% on NQ, 40% on ES, and 11% on gold. So gold, we definitely had some major issues. We had 8 losses, 1 win. The 1 win being 24, average losses being about 13. So the average win is bigger than the average loss. We can see that's been the theme of the day across the board. The average wins being bigger than the average loss. See this over on NQ, 69 for the average win, 39 for the average loss. Over on ES, 33, 17, 24, 13. While the average win being bigger than the average loss, certainly a positive I can take away from today. The accuracy certainly is not. So the accuracy certainly cost us quite a fair bit here today. Across all the instruments, we can see majority of the losses, 447 is on NQ, followed by our friends over at gold, and we actually were a small positive on ES. So it's just a terrible day all around. I'm going to definitely sink this strategy. It's just not working. It is not working. Maybe I'll have to go back to the Bollinger Bands and trade that, even though that has its own set of issues, of course, as this market would have ground down. Likely would have been suffering a series of losses, but it would have been more sizable wins in there. But with that said, that pretty much wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.